Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to fix the ShortMax app crashing issue. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, close the app completely and restart your device. If the issue still persists, tap and hold your ShortMax app and tap on App Info button. Tap on Storage option and then tap on Clear Cache. Now go and check if your issue has been fixed. If it didn't, then open your Play Store or App Store and search for ShortMax. Now check if it says Update or Open. Crashes mostly happen because of app not being up to date. If it says Update, then tap on it and update it. This should fix your issue. If your app is updated and it is still crashing, then you should uninstall the app and reinstall it again. This fresh install should fix any kind of problem. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.